Today we're looking into the Fordson 7V, which was first introduced in 1937 as the successor to the Ford Model BB, while still being based around the same chassis and mechanicals. Available with a payload of up to 5 tonnes, the then very modern truck in cab-over-engine design enabled greater manoeuvrability in urban environments. The Fordson 7V, depending on the dealer network, was a medium to heavy-duty commercial truck range. 2 different wheelbases were available, and the chassis provided the basis for various bodies. For example, the Fordson Thames 7V was the most widely used fire truck during the Second World War. The model series was powered by the well-known V8 Ford flathead side valve engine with 85 horsepower, by means of a 3-speed optional 4-speed manual transmission and cardan shaft. For that time, the one-piece windscreen, which could be opened for ventilation, and a sunroof above the passenger seat. Early 7V, built in 1937 and 1938, had a curved rounded grille, while from the 7V built in 1939, it stood flat and was smaller, as were the headlights. These measures were consequences of the beginning of the war and the associated shortage of raw materials. The production of the civilian 7V was maintained throughout the war. An armoured version was also produced for use by the Army. During World War II, civilian production was halted for military vehicles. In 1945, civilian production resumed. Immediately after the end of the war, numerous improvements were introduced, the most outstanding of which were a new braking system and a tractor unit. A 4.7 litre Perkins engine's inline 6-cylinder diesel engine with 45 horsepower was available as an option from 1948. Until mid-1949, the model series was produced in Dagenham, then replaced by the Fordson Thames ET.